Want to keep your HubSpot blog organized and boost your SEO effortlessly? In this video, I'll walk you through a foolproof guide on how to create and manage blog tags in HubSpot for 2025. Whether you're just starting or looking to fine-tune your content strategy, this step-by-step tutorial will make it super simple. Let's get started. Blog tags are like signposts for your readers. They help organize your content and make it easier for visitors to find related articles. Plus, well-structured tags can enhance your website's SEO. So here's how you can create and manage them inside HubSpot. First, log into your HubSpot account and go to your marketing dashboard. From the top navigation, click on Marketing, then go to Website and select Blog. Now choose the blog you want to manage tags for. To create a new tag, click on More Tools or the Settings icon and select Tags. Here, you'll see all your existing tags. Click Create Tag or Add Tag, then give your tag a descriptive name, something that truly represents the topic. For example, instead of just marketing, go for email marketing tips to make it more specific and SEO friendly. Once done, click Save. Now to add tags to a blog post, open your post in the editor. On the left or right panel, depending on your HubSpot version, you'll find the Tags section. Simply type the tag name and select it from the drop-down, or add a new one on the spot. Managing tags is equally important. Over time, you may end up with duplicates or irrelevant tags. To fix this, return to the Tags section and review your list. Delete unused tags or merge similar ones to keep your blog clean and user-friendly. A streamlined tagging strategy improves navigation and helps search engines understand your content better. One pro tip: avoid over-tagging. Stick to 2 to 4 highly relevant tags per post. Too many tags can confuse both your readers and search engines. And that's it! You've just learned how to create and manage blog tags in HubSpot like a pro. This simple yet powerful step can significantly improve your blog structure, user experience, and SEO in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more HubSpot tips, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.